Hello, beloveds. I'm eating. How you doing today? King and queens, gods and goddesses out there, singling and mingling, or working through a loving marriage relationship, looking for answers, clarity, confirmation, hidden truths, secrets, warnings. What's going on in your universe, beloved? I'm feeling fine as wine. There is positivity, harmony, and joy in the atmosphere today. We are over the 808 portal. Lionsgate opening. Hope you did your rituals. Hope you set your intentions. Hope you took action on some goals and released some challenges, some addictions, some bad habits, people, places, and things. Oh, before I didn't even get to say Spirit is not playing today. My car's been flying all over today. It's either my energy, my connection has grown stronger. I am more tapped in and vibing high and different. Yes, the spirits have joined me in ways like never before, more intimate, closer, speaking more clearly. I am not afraid, for I am built to be just who I am. So are you. But the first card out is service. I feel good when I can help others. I'm talking to a fellow boss, a leader, an entrepreneur, a go-getter, someone who strives to become financially independent, maybe work for yourself. Maybe you have a channel like I do. Maybe you have a storefront, or you have some other type of app where you create clothing, music, a podcast, something you do. You offer services to others. You're part of the collective body here to raise the vibration of this planet. And it feels good. It feels good to know that we are here, you are here, to help others elevate, to lift their spirits, to elevate their mindset, heal their hearts, their souls, do whatever you can do. This is confirmation from God that you are on the right path, beloved. You are following your purpose. And if you have any questions, any doubts, any fears of failure or success, you are being blessed and favored to do exactly what you do. Keep on doing. Keep on striving. The next card out is our health card. In the screen for progress. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. This is just not about the body and how we feed and nourish ourselves. This is about nourishing and feeding our soul as well. Removing toxicity, people, places, and things. Detoxing our mind. Meditating. Grounding with the earth and nature. Sunbathing, stargazing. Moon healing. Being out at nighttime for those nocturnal beasts who like the darker side of things where it's quiet and peaceful and you can hear. It's Spirit speak when the veil is thin. And the ancestors and the spirits walk the earth. We sit amongst them, those of us who are built and made to. Focus on your health at this time. I know you're about getting that bag and making that money. Yes? But your health is your wealth as well. A healthy mind can focus, is organized, more taps in, higher intuition, can discern with ease. Okay. We got any more from this deck, Spirit? Anything else you need to speak to my collective about? That's too much. Oh, but I will take the bottom because I'm feeling humorous, joyful, happy. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Yes, I do. Why not? We could choose to focus on the latter, but what joy would that bring? Lighten up. Let your hair down. Fellas, let it swing. I'm going to keep it PG, guys, but I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood for healing, for revealing. But it's time to go with the flow of life. It is what it is. It was what it was. And now I am the true master and magician of my own destiny. I say yes. I say no. No is a complete sentence, an idea. No need to explain the rest. No is no. Yes is I will, I can, I do, I want. I want love. You want passion. You want someone you can trust. Someone that's reliable. Someone that's playful, energetic. Someone that honors you, adores you, admires you. Someone that puts you up on a pedestal above the rest. Always chooses you first. Checks on you. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Justice card. There will be a balancing of the scales, an alignment, fairness being brought to a situation that was once unfair, uneven, judgment being called, court case, a law, adjudication, making the right decision for all involved based on righteousness and fairness. You've gone through a broken heart. You've gone through a lot of pain, a lot of loss, a lot of grief. An ending to a relationship, a divorce, destroyed, broken down, set ablaze. Lies, rumors, gossip on your name, dirt being thrown on your name by someone that rose up against you, rose up against your connection. This could be a karmic that was allowed to enter into your relationship. This could be your ex. This could be family and friends who put their mouths where it shouldn't have been, causing confusion. But do you see that person in the background laying down their sword and walking away? Someone has decided it's not worth it anymore to come at you. Someone has decided they're tired of the conversation being about you, while this person stands tall, still ready to fight, still ready to, is being left alone. No one wants to hear it anymore. No one is engaging in the gossip. walking away, feeling shameful for even getting involved, realizing now that it was all a lie, all to misguide them, to keep them apart from you, away from you, to turn away from you and become this person's ally, this person, a false, a fake, an imposter, a hater, an enemy, an opponent, an enemy, rushing forward, by any means necessary, wanting to have their way, wanting to be heard, acknowledged, coming at you, angry, bitter, resentful, that now everyone is turning their back on them, either siding with you or deciding they just don't want to be involved at all. This is the person you could be involved in a court case with. This could be the people involved in the case realizing that they've been lying all along. And now this person may want to come rushing towards you before a decision is made in your favor to try to change the outcome. The outcome is you're going to get what you're due. Whether it is the money, property, an inheritance, something that you owed, something you deserve, something you earned that was held, blocked, taken, stolen. Judgment is about to be called. You're about to receive what is yours. My God, this is angelic guidance, spiritual inheritance, something God says will be returned, karma being served. While this person who come against you, who lied on you, who tried to turn in their favor, sitting, worried, alone, constantly thinking in their head about what they took. Why? Now look, this person breadcrumbs you in the past. This ex, this lover, this boss, breadcrumbed you, didn't give you your fair share, whether this is for you, for family. Now they're worried about the scales being balanced and knowing they will have to pay out their just due. They will have to give to you equally. Reciprocity. Returned. We have another scale in this photo. Balance. Alignment. The scales being balanced. Wish fulfillment. Oh, excuse me. Wish fulfillment. This person realizes now that you were put into their lives to make it better, to balance their life out. You were an equal. You were willing to be an equal, to give what you received equally. They know now, in their constant thinking, they've come to the revelation that they should have gave. They should have did the right thing. You will now be receiving what you wish for. Spirit's about to bring you your every desire, your every wish. This person is facing a tower moment as we speak, losing in lack. Everything they try to put you through has been returned. They're now feeling the karma of what they've done, the lies, the rumors, the breadcrumbing, the loss of you sent their life into a tower moment. Now they want to come back in and give to you. They want to acknowledge you for who you are, what you were in their life. They see spirit acknowledging you. They see you putting in the hard work, healing, singling, mending, bossing up. They may even know about this judgment that is to come. They know you're about to receive a large amount of money. They may want to rush back in, become a part of this new wealth. Somehow you provide a service to others, a medium, a reader like me, a storefront, or an app you create. You have products, services, customers, subscribers, people, places, and places you've been, you've helped will be coming in to acknowledge you for your hard work, for what you do for them. They will bring you gifts, rewards, acknowledgement. But this person wants to tell you who you are to them, what you mean to them. Now they understand. They understand what they've done. They know they didn't do enough, didn't put in enough. Now they may want to give more, including a new offer, start over, mend, try again, a new cup of love, a new connection. Can we start off as friends? Pages of communication. This person wants to come towards you to reach out, to let you know they love you, they want you, possibly that they're sorry, ask for forgiveness. Offer you a gift, something prosperous. Celebrate with you. I'm also hearing that you will soon be celebrating. You soon will have something to celebrate. Well, we know you'll have this to celebrate in a win-win in a court case, but you may have a new suitor, an earth sign. They may want to come forward as well and offer you an invitation to go on a date. Let's go out, do something together. Maybe a family event, a barbecue, a wedding. You have been working hard on you after going through some serious heartbreak. People turned against you because you are the Queen of Swords. You speak the truth. Whatever you do for work, for a business, for a service, you use your voice. A motivational speaker, a reader. You have a podcast, maybe you sing. Somehow you use your voice to speak to others. You share your experience. You're not afraid or ashamed where you come from, what you've been through. And maybe in you speaking on some of your experiences, you spoke about some people who were too busy watching you, or else they wouldn't have known. They didn't like what you say or what you do. So they rose up against you to try to stop you from getting fans, subscribers, customers, people to follow you, to believe in you, to listen, by spreading lies, saying that you weren't who you say you are. The Spirit was watching as well and listening. And now the tables have been turned on your haters or hater, and they're going through a tower moment. And now they want to come rushing back in to try to stop you, block you, but come off as friendly, loving, caring, wanting you. And the truth is, they're angry, bitter, aggressive. They just want you to be quiet. But you can't, because you're walking in your purpose. This is what you were meant to do. Influence others in a positive way. This is your calling. This is how you earn your living. God pays you to be in service, to heal, to take care of others, to influence, to motivate, to uplift the lives of others, and you do. And because you've been obedient and fought through the chaos and then pay it no mind, let God handle what you can't see, what you don't hear, what you don't know ain't your business. You're being rewarded. You will be rewarded, gifted, donations, an opportunity coming your way. People may want to work with you, want to celebrate with you, want to gift you, want to know you, are curious about you. Come on now. Because you've walked away from the past. You've closed a chapter on your life that did not serve you well. People, places, and things. You walked into a new opportunity, a new life, a new beginning. And you'll have people that will admire you for your strength, your courage, your resilience. And others who will feel left out in the cold, abandoned, rejected. First says, you will no longer live in lack, scarcity, some useful news, some messages that will be highly useful in what you do and where you're going and what's coming. Could be this reading. But you'll be receiving some news soon that will be very useful to this new beginning. because someone is watching you very closely. Sure, it's this person is one, but we've got others who are watching, listening, taking notes, following, subscribing, believing in you. While this person is watching you win, elevate, receive recognition, admiration. Right now they're regretful, going through mental anguish, sleepless nights over the loss. How could they let you go? How could they not see who you were becoming or were to be? Well, they were too busy considering other options. While you took care of yourself and went within, because God chose you from the beginning. And during this awakening period, and this change that you went through, you've now become a winner. And they're wondering how they could get you back. How can they get back in your... Come on. How can they get their sunshine back? How can they get their strength and their courage and their lover back? You glow. You're glowing, shining, radiant as the sun. You've awakened to the possibilities of newness. You're walking in your confidence, and it is looking good on you. Leo energy, we're in Leo season. This is going on right now as we speak. You've gone through a spiritual awakening. You are now receiving moments of joy, harmony, peace, and clarity about what your life is supposed to be about, what you're here for, what you were made to do. Queen of Cups. Nurturing, kind, caring, loving, sensitive, highly intuitive, and connected to the spirit world, to nature. We love water, the ocean, the beach, blue skies. You could be a water sign. It could be heavy in your chart. You flow now, naturally. You're glowing. You could be a single mom. You walked away from anyone and anything that meant to hurt you, harm you. Like I said, you could be a single mom. We see a mother with a child in this boat, searching for calmer waters. Water. There's the ocean I spoke of. You couldn't stay anymore where you were not loved, supported, respected, chosen. You chose to walk away and sail away, looking for a better life, better existence for you, for your child, for your children, for your family. Maybe you're looking to move, to relocate across the waters, a new state, a new country, where you can thrive. Why not? You got money coming in. Prosperity coming at you. Communication a letter, an email, a text. Prosperity coming your way. You got a lot of money on the board. Gifts, property, a new home. Money is to buy a new home. Money is to buy land. Maybe you want to go back to the old time way, where you can be out in nature, resting and retreating and healing and connecting, so that your spiritual gifts can be highly elevated and more intimate and connected with the universe. Somehow that word, Queen of Wands. Who's this Queen of Wands? Oh, I knew it. That's why I said, who is this, and took the next card. Because I knew it wasn't you, beloved. There's a Queen of Wands. A karmic. This could be your ex. A karmic connected to your ex. A best friend, an ex. A co-worker, ex. Somehow you're not in current relations with this person. You may not even know this person if they're connected to your ex. Looking to steal from you, stole from you, a copycat, a shadow banner, a Judas, a fake imposter. Heavy in their feelings, fire, heavy in their chart if they're not a fire sign. They've got a lot of fire in their chart. This is a dark witch, a wizard, a warlock. You see the black cat. They're connected to spirit, but it ain't the positive kind like you are. They speak to the other spirits, the dark ones. Trying to manifest some thievery, some theft, keep you from getting this money, this decision, this award. What does Spirit say? Hoping to keep this hidden from you, but it's being revealed right now if you're listening. They want to keep you in the dark about what's really going on. Like I said, someone coming in trying to fake like they want to be near you, when the truth is they're coming in deceptive and trying to keep it hidden from you, bind you, shut you up, stop you, slow you down. This Knight of Wands could be the karmic and your ex together. Could be a couple. Speed and action. Coming forward in their aggressive feelings before this judgment is called. But guess what, baby girl, baby boy? God says you were too protected, too enlightened, too intuitive, too aware, too discerning, too connected to not see them coming. You probably already know. This is confirmation. You're going to see them before they even get close enough to breathe on you. You're a spiritualist. You're a spiritualist. You're a spiritual teacher, a coach, a reader. You're a spiritualist. And this King of Swords, your ex, someone you divorced or in divorce with, someone you separated from permanently, evaluating, trying to figure out a way, hanging out, constantly thinking, stuck in their head. evaluating every detail of situation, trying to figure out how they're going to overturn this ruling, how they're going to come back into your energy, how are they going to, when you highly intelligent, highly intellectual, highly intuitive, highly discerning. That's you. And you're a spiritualist? How? Spirit says it ain't gonna happen because you were meant for success and victory is your name. See how the person's mounted high on the horse, stunting down the runway, spectators on every side, cheering and congratulations and admiration. Crowd. That's you, beloved. That's you. That's you, Earth Angel. Spirit says, just have a little patience, baby. Keep doing what you do. Keep pouring into yourself. Keep healing. Keep meditating and staying connected highly to Spirit, to God, to your angels, to your ancestors. They're your first line of defense. They're the ones been stopping all this from going on. They're the reason why you're still thriving and speaking and breathing. Truly, they cut them down before they even get close enough to do what they want to do. You are an angel. You're an angel returned here to do magic upon the world, to restore balance. And they now know it. Now they know it. They are so sad at the loss of you. So sad how they dropped the ball. So sad about what's about to come, what's about to happen, if it's not already happening. They know it's their fault, but they try to blame you. They try to blame you. They know they stuck their hand in the cookie jar where it didn't belong, causing all this mess and chaos and calamity and separation and divorce. They know. They know. The Spirit knows too. This King of Cups, your ex, the father of your child or children, your husband, ex. They know. Heavy in their emotions at this time. They could have water as well in their zodiac chart, heavy. Could be a water moon. Thinking back on all the times of the past when things were better, when you were together, when you first started, how good it was, when they made their first offer and you took their cup of love. You could be short and this person could be much taller than you. You definitely have kids together. May have shared a home at one point and want to come back in. But they're undecided, confused. How in the world am I going to do this? pull us off. The karmic is still in the energy, still watching, still angry, still bitter. They may be currently in separation from each other, going through a tower moment, their own separation. The energy is still stale, messy. They haven't cleaned up their backyard, and they are feeling defeated. They know that it's over. They see you moved on. They see you bossing up. They see you working and stepping into your purpose. They know that you're highly spiritual at this moment and not going to go for no garbage, a low vibrational energy. They are feeling defeated, broken, tired. Because, like I said, you walked away and you're not looking back. You're going towards the sun. Better days. More love, more joy, more peace. You want a harmonious life. And God has promised that to you if you continue to take the walk ahead and not look back. And they know that it's truly over and done. And that a divorce will be granted. You will receive what is due you, a divine blessing. You waited long enough. You waited long enough. And now, Spirit is offering you a fresh, new start. A fresh, new start. Beginner's luck. Take the chance, take the leap, take the risk, and you are. What other choice you have? The past is gone. All that's left is the present moment that you're living in and looking forward to the future. And you are. You are. You're playful in your energy, curious about the universe, spirit, all things spiritual, hopeful. Look at you resting. Look at you resting on your bed of gold. Everything you touch turns to gold. You're being rewarded. And you're ready and armed at all times with your sword. You wish someone would disturb your peace. You wish they would disturb your peace. You're resting. You see those people in the window? That's what I see. Looking in, watching you, wondering how the hell did you do it? How the hell did you do it? How are you resting when they are not? How? How are you even sleeping? Because you rest with the angels by your side. Well, we got a new suitor. Someone interested in you. Someone getting up the courage to come forward. Offer you a new love, a new invitation, a new cup. Slow moving, but sure that you are the one. This could be a water side, and they're willing to do the work, to carry the load. Whatever it takes, at all costs. You've got suitors. You got new love coming in. You got an ex, a karmic, maybe some friends and family. You know, who did you walk away from? Who's missing you? Who's angry about it? About the new you? Who you speaking your experiences about? That's listening and angry that you're speaking the truth. And it's making them look real bad. Those people, they're watching you too. My voice is cracking. It's been doing that all my life, y'all. More so now than ever that I'm transforming. Yeah. So, that is your reading. And I know you've hit that like button. I know you tapped me. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and join the family if you have not already. I'm a whole vibe. This is a beautiful place to be. Always bring you messages that you'll resonate with. Confirmation, clarity. Some days I'll bring you them warnings, some evil eye readings, that black magic, that devil energy. I walk amongst the light and the dark. Multifaceted, multi-talented, and invited. So, thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing, my day ones. I'm always feeling you. The comments, the love, the support. Keep it coming. Thank you. Thank you. If you want to send a love donation to the channel, my Cashapp, PayPal are attached in the box below. You want a one-on-one. Get real deep and dive in and make it personal. Send me an email and book with me. I got you. I'm your girl. You want to check out some of my work? I create oracle decks, tarot decks. The website is in the box below as well. If you're a female, a warrior, a queen, a goddess, bossing up, healing, elevating, a single mom, a wife that holds it down, whatever you are, if you're a divine feminine, consider joining my all-female Patreon. We're building from the ground up, so yes, we're in the beginning stages. So I don't want to hear, oh, it doesn't have a whole lot of members yet. We begin somewhere. Yes, everything has a beginning, but the ending is about to be explosive. Full of love. Connections from women all across the world, all races, all gender preferences. Feminine, feminine, feminine. And when I mean gender preferences, I mean you're a feminine gender. But your sexual preferences, whatever it is, we're all inclusive. We're all God-made and deserve to be loved and appreciated and respected. Yes. I don't go for the bullying. I don't go for the judging. I don't go for any of that bullshit. You hear me? Especially against my women. Not in my Patreon. You can do that over on your channel, where you won't find me. Anyway, I digress. Thank you for staying to the reading. I hope you got what you needed. I hope you come back for more. I hope you leave me a comment. How's it going? How I'm doing? How you feeling? Is this you? Will you join me in the other realms? As within, so without, as above, so below. Enjoy the rest of your beautiful day. A day above the grave is a blessing to breathe again. And until we meet in the next video, I bid you adieu and ashe.